So in the last session, we haven't tested whether Apache is installed successfully or not. So we're testing now Apache is installed or not. So systemctl status Apache 2. So this is running perfectly fine. And then we are using curl command on localhost so that it should return the content what we've pushed in the content. So this is what we pushed. So we do not have a new line here, so we can add new line. So we'll now be adding a new line via Apache ML. So in here we can just say /n so that the new line will be there. So now let's execute the playbook. So this is the way that we execute the playbook. Once so see, every time it is restarting Apache. So this is very bad practice of writing the service module. So we'll be looking at the handlers in next session. So now I'm gonna use curl localhost. So if you see, it is giving the new line now. So just because that is how you update playbook, and also you curl localhost. Bye.